Hi there. Today we're doing a video on some tips and tricks when you are installing your covers. When you receive your covers in the mail, it is possible there may be some creases that happen during shipping. It happens, no big deal. They will generally just release within a week or two. However, if you want to get it just right off the hop, all you need to do is take a hairdryer and just kind of warm up the offending area, and it will release the vinyl and the crease. And so it's a nice little upholstery trade secret for you. So let's see here. For the majority of treatment tables, you can feed the straps and buckles straight through the mechanics or over top of the mechanics, and no tools are needed. However, if your straps need to be angled inward or outward to get around the mechanics, this does put undue stress on the stitching, and the vinyl will actually tear over time. So you really want the tension to be on the straps. And to do this, you want the straps to feed straight through the mechanics, either through them or over them. So if the buckles and strap get in the way of your functionality of your mechanics, or that you have to angle them around your mechanics, all you have to do is remove the pad from the table and apply your cover directly to the pad, and then put the pad back onto your table. So for that scenario, you will need a hand drill, but it's generally done really quick and easy. And then the final tip that I have for you today is that if the cover moves at all when your clients are mounting or rolling on the table, simply cinch it up tighter. It will be more comfortable for your clients, and it does extend the life of your covers by reducing unnecessary wear and tear. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Have yourself a fantastic day.